goats.
You talking to them in their language?
Come see me.
What do goats say?
Bah.
That's a sheep, babe.
That's a goat.
Yeah, but sheep say bah. Hey, it is your girl Abby, aka New Age Coach here. I am lighting the way for those on their way to the light. To my soul vibers, that is those of you who are already subscribed, thank you. Anyone who just tuning in, welcome. On this channel, we talk all things self and soul development. So if you like that vibe and want to join the tribe, hit subscribe. Bae and I are out in the wilderness, back to the basics in lovely Mother Nature, and we decided to just pop on and make a quick video because we were reminded of just how simple things can be, right? It's literally during this time of quarantines, going back to the understanding that nature provides, man. Nature provides, and whether that's just simple sunshine, which we're all craving right now, literally since we're stuck inside, to the food that we eat, as you've seen in some of the footage so far, as we're going from farm stand to farm stand, supporting small local farmers who are essential employees right now for all of us. They're producing the food right now for us to eat, but they can't do that without nature, without this oxygen and fresh air to breathe, without, look at just the abundance behind us. Look at the greenery, the greenness of this grass. Like, sometimes we forget because we get so caught up in the four walls of our head, in the four walls of our house during quarantine, and we can just go to the negative real quick. But when you step outside in these situations and realize how abundant life still is, how nature still provides for us with just the basics that we need, you can't help but be grateful and think in a different perspective. It's all gonna be okay. Like, when you're out here and looking again at scenery like this, you're just assured through whatever you call it, God, the universe, spirit, you're assured that everything is for a bigger purpose and it's gonna be okay.
That was dope. That's my baby, y'all.
You can see my shirt here, but it says Alchemist. So I wanted to give a shout out to Ariana, who created this shirt. Her husband's business, Mansion Art. I'll link that below if you're interested. But this is the point that I'm making, alchemy. It's so that we can take some of these negative emotions and all the things that we're feeling, and we can transmute that into positive, beautiful experiences just by stepping out back to the basics and into nature. So we love you. Please remember to like, share, comment. Remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and stay hopeful.